Why do many professional woodworkers never use wood stains? Surprising, right? I am here to share some reasons behind this choice and a few alternatives they use instead. Many woodworkers believe that staining hides the wood's natural beauty. Different woods, like walnut, cherry, and oak, have stunning grain patterns and colors that can really shine without any added color. So, instead of stain, they will use a clear finish to highlight those natural textures. Pros carefully select their wood based on the natural color they want. Cherry wood, for example, ages beautifully and gets richer over time without any stain. This natural aging process can create colors and tones that stain just cannot replicate. Instead of staining, woodworkers often use oils like tung oil or linseed oil. These oils bring out the grain without changing the color drastically. It gives the wood a rich, deep look while keeping its original color intact. Also, oils are easy to maintain. Stains can sometimes go on unevenly, especially on softwoods. One section might absorb more stain than another, giving a blotchy look. Professional woodworkers avoid this problem by sticking to finishes that enhance wood without altering its color, like oil or wax. Wax is another favorite among woodworkers because it gives a soft, natural finish without covering up the wood's character. It adds a subtle shine and is easy to apply. Wax also lets you feel the texture of the wood, which stain can sometimes mask, and lastly, stain can hide imperfections, but most professional woodworkers see imperfections as part of the wood story. Instead of hiding knots or slight color differences, they celebrate these natural quirks because it makes each piece unique. So, if you were looking to finish a wood project like a pro, consider skipping the stain. Opt for clear finishes, oils, or wax to let the wood's true beauty shine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more woodworking tips and tricks.